and welcome to the channel, Seen with Chips. If you've been here before, then welcome back. If you haven't been here before, then welcome. Please consider subscribing and pressing the bell button so you can be notified of videos I'm making throughout the year. There you go then. Right, well, this is just a very quick short video on a tip for when you're looking, if you've got problems with the backlights or the wiring going to the backlights, an easier way of getting to them. So let's hope it helps you. Right, so what you've done here, you've actually taken the shock up, have you? The bolt.
Yeah, what we're going to do, what we're going to do is, if you were checking the wiring on your rear bike, you've got a problem, and quite often you'll get a wire trapped inside the fender. So what is the big thing is you would remove the rear fender and then check the wiring and everything. But just a little bit of a sneaky, easy way to do it. We'll just show you what we're going to do with Steve. You've got the mono shock on this, so you remove the top bolt out of the mono shock itself, yeah, and then jack the actual bike. So you're going to go back to the other side, Steve. You've got the jack under it.
Yeah.
You then actually, at the minute, we can't get in. We can't get in.
Yeah.
We can't see anything. So we'll jack it up, and what it'll do is it'll leave the swinging arm.
All right.
Back.
So the swinging arm stays down.
Yeah, and the jack. It's a real simple 2-minute thing that really helps you out. So if you're thinking you've got a real light problem or anything, you can do it with any. You can do it with them all by just unbolting them. The soft tails are a bit better, but if you've got shock on like a Sportster, so now it's starting to pick the wheel up. So that's as low as it could go. But now look, completely different thing.
Yeah.
And obviously now we can see the wiring.
Yeah.
So yeah, you've no problems with your wiring, but that's not why we are looking.
No, we're actually going to fit a camera on the back, aren't we? So that we can utilise that, can't we?
Yeah. So you know, it just might help somebody just if they've got that problem, or even
if your backlight, some problem with your backlight, you can check where. If you've got a break in your wire, because you can get one of those magic things that you told me about, where you can just touch it and see where there's a break.
Yeah, and it'll show you then what's wrong. Yeah, it might help somebody. Somebody might be just looking for that little sneaky tip.
Yeah,
but it's 2 minutes to take a bolt out, saves you 20 minutes taking a fender off.
Damn filthy now from when I came down in the rain this morning.
Yeah.
All this nice weather we've had for the last 6 weeks, and then you choose to book me in when it's raining.
Yeah, you know what it is.
Yeah, that's the way it goes. Yeah, yeah.
Hope it helps you.
Okay, good.